Model 2018 Renault TRAFIC long wheelbase minibus diesel LL29 Energy dCi 125 business 9-seater Euro 6 ULEZ. Tears or repairs. Body white minibus. Mileage 159,689. Engine 1598 CCR9 M125 Energy E6. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: will start but the bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Worth getting this back on the road, it's a beauty. Smiling face. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric